Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for September 28, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's the SBY daily chart. Today the market be able to gap up after they have a nice reversal formation on Friday. So the market is break out and go back up. At this moment, the market is still try to test out the 50-day moving average. So if they be able to hold up above it, so that we still have some more room for the upside. So right now the market is in the correction. We still don't know exactly where they want to do. So day by day we will analyze candle by candle so that we can see where they're heading to. So right now the question here is where the market is heading to. So the market is right now trying to reverse from the bottom. We have a first level of resistance. Let's see tomorrow market to be able to maintain and break out that level to go to the next resistance level here, and then we will see day by day to see where they heading to. So in the short term, the market be able to break out the Dow trend line. They push it back up, so now they be able to make it a high low. So if they can keep momentum, we still have more in the upside to test the upper moving average there. So if you look at the if you are a day trader and you look at the E-mini SP 500, you can see that the market has found the bottom here and now be able to push it back up, and the momentum right now is still in the upside. We have some resistance in the 3400. Let's see the market be able to get there. And if you are a day trader, so you can see that the market is it's very strong momentum for the whole day, and then right now they still continue to make it high low, so the momentum is still in the uptrend. So as long as the trend is still up, we will stick with uptrend until they change the direction. So if you look at a Dow, also be able to get above the 50-day moving average. So if they can keep momentum, we still have some more bounce in the upside. And the NQ also be able to break out the Dow trend line. They stay about a 50, and the momentum is still in the upside. So let's see how far they can go. And Russell 2000 a little bit weaker, but they be able to catch up today. After they break a Dow trend line, they run up fast to the upside. So right now they still try to hang on in the bullish side. So let's see how many days they can keep this momentum. And then we have some resistance on the top here. We have a 50-day moving average here. It's waiting for them also. If you look at the a lot of stock that we have been followed on the airline. So today, some of the airline they be able to put it back up, like Southwest Airline, Delta Airline. They also be able to put it back up. Let's see how far they can go. UAL at United Airlines, he also tried to rebound from the bottom here. And Boeing it also strong, tried a lot today after they found a support. Now they try to put it back up. A lot of stock like electric vehicle, Tesla, that to be able to turn around, put it up today. And NIO also tried to break out the triangle there to see they be able to do that. And a lot of technology stock also a strong rebound, like Apple today it already bound back up, and the yield also bound back up in the upside. And a lot of biotech that you have to be careful because like the one at INO, okay, those stocks that related to coronavirus. So when a good news, they going up, but when a bad news, they couldn't break a Dow trend line. When the bad news, they drop like rock. So that's why you have to be careful when you buy and hold the bio stock. You have to be careful because when the FDA they not approve something, they will drop right away. So let's see what happened to those things. So you have to stick with the one with a strong name, okay, and then they have a potential to go upside. Otherwise, you will be in big trouble if you try to buy and hold based on the news of the coronavirus, on the vaccine. Some of them make it, some of them don't make it. They will go down very quickly. And a lot of retail stock is also doing pretty well. Okay, and Target, they also will be able to bounce back up. BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond, they still put it in the upside. A lot of stuff from transportation, they still hold up pretty well because there's high demand on the delivery, online delivery, like FedEx and UPS. Okay, but they are a little bit extended in the upside, so we have to be careful on those stock there. All right, so right now the market is still trying to push it back up. So if they be able to maintain that momentum, and tomorrow they can go above the 335, and we're looking for the next destination about 340 or 339. All right, so let's see where the market heading to. So that's why we are here. We support you every day, and we will notify you whenever we have a new video. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and every time we have a new video, we will alert you right away. And if you would like to learn how to trade, how to make some extra daily income, as well as to buy and swing trade for your stock, then you should check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.